So in this tutorial I'll show you how to change skill move on your FC Mobile 24. So for that, first of all you have to press on club, and then you have to press on my team. Then you can see the team edition. You have to press on team edition. Then you see the skill move option. So there are four different option available here. Is the joystick four button: top, bottom, right, and upper. Suppose you want to change the uh, back button, then you have to press on there, and you can see any kind of skill move. Suppose I want to add ball roll, and then press on assign. And you can also buy skill move from your FC Mobile 24. For that you have to go your store, and then you have to press on live event, and then you see the skill move option. So here a lot of skill move available here. You can easily buy any one from here. This price is 1000 gems. If you have enough balance, you can buy it and easily assign it on your player. So this is how you can easily change skill move and buy skill move for your FC Mobile 24. Hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.